Shalom. My name is Michael Decker, and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Decker, Pex & Co. Today I wanted to discuss a very important law called the Freedom of Information Law, or the Freedom of Information Act. This law basically requires and obliges the state and all the government agencies to reveal before any person, either he be a citizen or even a non-citizen of the state of Israel, information regarding its operations and management. This is very important in a democracy for transparency purposes. For example, this is just one out of hundreds of examples anyone could think of. If, for example, you would want to know how many disabled parking permits were granted in the previous year, for example, how many requests were made and how many were granted, and even based on what reasons these were actually granted, just in order to check that the government is actually fulfilling its duties according to the relevant laws, you can submit a request according to the Freedom of Information Act, and the government will need to give you a very clear specification of the amount of applications submitted and the amounts of rejections and approvals. This is relevant, of course, to many other areas, including the government's financial operations. So if you want to know what a government budget is for a certain issue, you can submit a request and the government will need to explain to you exactly the budget and how much it paid to different suppliers and workers and so on and so forth. So if you have any matter you would like to, information you would like to obtain from the government according to the Freedom of Information Act, you can feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to assist you with this. Or if you submitted the request for information and you didn't get the information you needed, and you were denied and rejected, you can come to us and we'll be happy to assist you with an appeal and a petition to the administrative court in order to try to obtain this information for you if there are the legal justifications for it. I wanted to take this opportunity to wish you a Shana Tova, a happy Jewish New Year, and thank you very much for your time.